Welcome back to Alltech, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in tech accessories. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for VR enthusiasts, the MetaQuest Active Straps. If you're looking to enhance your MetaQuest 3 or 3S experience with better comfort, improved grip, and effortless compatibility, then stick around as we break down everything you need to know about these premium straps. One of the standout features of the MetaQuest Active Straps is their seamless compatibility with MetaQuest 3 and 3S. There's no need for complicated installation or third-party adapters. These straps are designed specifically to integrate effortlessly with the Touch Plus controllers. Whether you're setting up for the first time or upgrading from a different accessory, these straps fit perfectly and function smoothly. Comfort is a crucial factor when choosing VR accessories, and MetaQuest Active Straps excel in this area. The premium straps accommodate a variety of hand sizes, ensuring that everyone, from kids to adults, can enjoy a secure and comfortable grip. This means you can extend your gaming sessions without experiencing discomfort or strain, allowing for more immersive and enjoyable gameplay. When you're battling zombies, swinging swords, or getting in an intense VR workout, the last thing you want to worry about is losing your grip on the controllers. The adjustable, relaxed fit of these active straps gives you complete control over your movements while reducing hand fatigue. This lets you focus on your game rather than worrying about dropping your controllers. As an official Meta accessory, these straps have been specifically designed for Touch Plus controllers, ensuring a precise and optimized fit. This enhances responsiveness and overall comfort, making interactions feel natural and intuitive as you explore virtual worlds. Durability is another strong suit of the MetaQuest Active Straps. Designed for frequent and intense use, these straps hold up whether you're engaged in competitive gameplay or high-energy workouts. Whether you're dodging punches in a VR boxing game or slicing through beats in Beat Saber, you can trust that these straps will keep up with your gaming intensity. Since these straps are officially licensed by Meta, you can be assured of their quality and reliability. They've undergone extensive testing to ensure they meet Meta's high standards, which is crucial when investing in VR accessories. To further enhance convenience, the MetaQuest Active Straps work alongside the MetaQuest charging dock and a compact carrying case. This means you can charge your controllers efficiently, while keeping your accessories organized and protected when not in use. If you're a frequent traveler or simply like keeping your VR gear neat, this is a big plus. One small note: the packaging may differ from what's advertised. However, rest assured that the product inside remains the same high-quality accessory that meets all Meta standards. So, should you invest in the MetaQuest Active Straps? If you're looking for enhanced comfort, improved grip, and long-lasting durability, then these straps are a fantastic upgrade for your VR setup. Whether you're a casual gamer, fitness enthusiast, or competitive VR player, these straps will elevate your experience and help you stay in control during intense gameplay. That's it for this review. Let us know in the comments if you've tried the MetaQuest Active Straps and what you think about them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome tech reviews from Alltech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.